Some physics on drill bit with
and
Henry.
let's say it just drops.
Where'd it go?
This one in the
It's lost. I don't see it. Hold on. There it is.
Okay.
Point taken.
Solid. This one didn't even bounce. Okay. Now the force of falling out, falling with the rest of the drill bit index.
That wasn't brute force though.
That wasn't brute force yet.
Alright, this
You went
is
what?
this is light
4 feet.
light brute force.
4 feet, right?
Right. About 4 feet.
Now, I mean, the most drastic possible way they have failed with all the other drill bits hitting it and punching it. There goes.
Brute force. It's gone.
It went that way. So
Oh shit. Where'd it go?
Went there, right there. See?
Oh,
There it is.
Yep. Brute force all the way over by the press.
But with that said,
There was no drill bit.
it did bounce on the wall.
It did hit the wall.